Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on homogeneous differential functions. So let us start with problem number 2. Solve x cube plus y cube dy by dx is equal to x square y given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. As you can see, both x and y are having power as 3, and on the right hand side we have 2 as a power of x and 1 as a power of y. So collectively this will give you also 3. So thus we have recognized that each term is having the power 3, therefore it is a homogeneous function. Now the next step will be find dy by dx. The value of dy by dx will be x square y upon x cube plus y cube. After getting the value of dy by dx, we are going to substitute y as vx, and further differentiating with respect to x, this will give you dy by dx as v plus x dv by dx, and then substitute these values in the given function. This will give you v plus x dv by dx. This will give you v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square into vx, that is the value of y, upon we have x cube plus y as vx the whole cube. Now in the next step, as you can see, we have x square into x, that is x cube, and similarly in the denominator we can get x cube common. On cancelling x cube, we have v plus x dv by dx is equal to v upon 1 plus v cube. Now let us transfer this v on the right hand side. That will give you x dv by dx is equal to v upon 1 plus v cube minus v. Now let us try to solve these two fractions. So we have v minus v raised to 4 upon 1 plus v cube. V will be cancelled and we have minus v raised to 4 upon 1 plus v cube left. So in the next step we can now separate the variables. So this will give you 1 plus v cube upon v raised to 4 dv is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. After that we can integrate on both the sides. Now to integrate the left hand side, we can separate v raised to 4 to both the terms. Here we can take v raised to 4 in the numerator and use the formula x raised to n. That will give you x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And here v cube will be cancelled and only one v will be left. This will give you v raised to minus 3 upon minus 3 plus log v is equal to minus log x plus c. Now in the last step we are going to resubstitute the value of v, that is y by x. Taking v to the power minus 3 in the denominator, we have 1 upon v cube, that will give you 1 upon y by x the whole cube. Plus we have again log y by x is equal to minus log x plus c. Here you can use the formula log a minus log b. This will give you minus x cube upon 3y cube plus log y minus log x is equal to minus log x plus c. Now minus log x will be cancelled. Now this becomes our general solution. In the question they have asked you to find the value of particular solution as the values of x and y are given. So this will give you 0 cube upon 1, that is 0 only, plus log of 1. Now what is log of 1? It is 0 again. So the final value of C will be 0. And let us resubstitute the value of C in the general solution. This becomes our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.